Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amelia Febrianti and I'm from Group 2. I'm going to talk about cell phones for teenagers. Member of group Amelia Febrianti, Anggi, Armindo Febridoni, and Asep Hidayat. In this sophisticated era, everyone in all parts of the world use cell phones, starting from adults to children. But what we will focus on this time in the use of cell phones for teenagers, and I will discuss it with my team.
I support Tenacall phone use for several reasons. The first is mobile phone make it easier for use teenagers to communicate. In addition, mobile phones are easy to carry anywhere.
I don't agree with Armindo's opinions because cell phones have more negative effects. For example, teenagers who use their cell phone only to play game. When the teenager has played the game, he will forget the time to study, and it will make parents angry because their children are more concerned with game than learning.
Amel's opinion is true, but not all teenagers use cell phones to play games. I think cell phones have a positive side too. For example, they are used for studying.
I actually thought Anggi was right, but I agree more with Amel because the negative side of mobile phones are many and can also be dangerous. For example, it could be a criminal broker involving fraud. Of course, it is very dangerous. This happens a lot when teenagers are going to shop online.
In my opinion, what Asep said is not entirely true because teenagers are students where they tend to use their cell phone more for online learning. And that is one of the advantages of using a cell phone.
I do not agree with that opinion because some students often use cell phone for entertainment, and I think it's better to learn using books, which is more certain because if we continue to use cell phones to study online, we will feel lazy to do our own assignment.
I stick to my opinion. I support the use of mobile phones for teenagers because it makes it easier for us when we want to communicate long distance with friends, family, and those close to us. Instead, using a cell phone should be for something more useful.
Well, in my opinion, cell phones have more negative effects, one of which can cause inflammation of the lining of the brain, where teenagers usually keep cell phones under the pillow when going to sleep. It happens every day, and if left unchecked, there will be radiation which causes inflammation of the lining of the brain, where to curing it requires surgery, which cost is certainly not small. That's the most harmful effect for cell phones.
That's a bit of my team debate about the pro and cons of using cell phones for teenagers because if it continues, it may not be finished. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.